Hello everyone, welcome to KD Jagger YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the new feature of Jeda AI. It's a translation feature. Okay, actually there are a lot of features they have already introduced, but I'm going to show you the translation feature here. Okay, guys, first you have to go to Jeda AI and then you have to go to the new workspace option here. And actually you can get a new workspace like this, not the option. You can get a new workspace like this. By the way, here you can see a space that you can type. Okay, I mean you can see a text area, you can type anything here. I'm going to type what? Write a song in Sinhala. Okay, actually I'm not going to talk about the accuracy levels, so don't worry about that. Actually I think most of the languages are in I think high accuracy. Okay, by the way, I'm going to ask a song about write a song about song in Sinhala. Actually I'm going to say write a song about an elephant in Sinhala. So I'm going to click on this option here. Now it will generate something, I think. Let's see. AI is currently generating content. This is a live video. Okay, wait. Please wait. I think he's writing a song now, na? Okay, now I got it. Actually, you can see the translation option here. මහන්සියවත් ඇඳුවෙන් මග වන්න තිබේ මට පමණක් වැනි කර දෙන අක්‍රෝන එකෙන් මට සිංහල ගීතය අලුත් හොඳම් අලවන දේ එල්පැන්ට් හදන සින්දුවක් පුරනගු කඳු උඩින් විනසන අතන වතුර කර තබන්නා සැලසුම් දක්වන බලය එල්පැන්ට් ජාතකයන්ගේ ගීතය තිබේ. අද වෙනකොට එල්පැන්ට් මහන්සියෝ නරඹන ස්ථානයේ කඳු පාවිච්චියෙන්ම අභාපති සිංහල ගීත සිංහලෙන් හදන්නෙමු දීපු මෙහෙම පාලනයෙන් පැහැදුනි. එල්පැන්ට් හදන සින්දුවක්. Actually, this is not much better, but you can see it's typing Sinhala. But I just wanted to say, actually, Sinhala is not much yet compatible with any other models, I think, because we got less models in Sinhala. But you can type maybe in Hindi, I don't know. Okay, just type in Hindi. Okay, I think write something in Hindi. Okay, I'm going to say, let's see. Actually, for that, I am going to take the Hindi to English translation. I don't know what is this. Sorry for language. I'm an AI assistant who can help you understand in Hindi. Is it correct? If it's correct, really great, right? Okay. And write a story about elephant. Okay, write a story. Short story. I'm talking single. Write a short story about an elephant. Oops. You can enter that by using Control Enter also, by clicking on all those keys together. Let's see. Guys, I really love Jed AI because Jed AI is, I think, updating frequently and really great. Just try this. There are so many options that you can use. Universal analysis, mind maps. There are a lot of things. By the way, where's the thing? Where's the I think it's generating yet. Yeah. Oh my god. Actually, I just selected the universal option, so it generated the wow. This is so amazing. By the way, now I'm going to click on this text option here and then click on this generate option here. Now it will generate text, so you have to click on the related option. I mean, if you need the text only, then you have to click on this text option, and if you need the wireframe, then you have to click on the wireframe. Here you got the short story about an elephant here like this, but I'm going to say in Hindi. Actually, because Sinhala is not correct, by the way, most of the time Sinhala is not good. And I think we can use this as a translator also. Okay, we can use this as, I will next I will try that. Okay, and I'm going to convert this into Hindi then. Let's see. Okay, this is the Hindi story. I don't know, sorry for the language. Okay, again, I'm really sorry for the language, but now I'm going to use this here. Oh, I can't use because I got a word limitation. Okay, now it says, once an elephant was roaming in the forest. He was very happy and joyful. She thoroughly enjoyed her beauty and gained insight into her beauty with her experiences. He wandered around the whole day and was delighted with the beauty of the forest. Then one day, an elephant was struck by heavy stone. All the strength of his legs went out, and he was finding it difficult to control himself. He was deeply worried about what would happen to him now, so he started trying to run, but he was not getting help. Okay, actually, I think maybe sometimes some things are wrong, but I don't know because I don't know Hindi, guys. Now I'm going to say, uh, can you convert mother into Tamil? Okay, mother into Tamil. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it works. Wow, 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 wow. That's cool, huh? So you can use this as a translator also. So AI translator. Okay, good. Now I'm going to say how you are doing right now into Tamil, not into Tamil. I'm going to say Sinhala for now, but I think it won't make Sinhala more correct because yeah, as I said, it's not much correct, but just type it in Tamil. Then I'm going to use, because I don't know Tamil also, I'm going to use the Google Translator. Nengal ipottu ippadi, I don't know. Sorry for that. And okay, I don't know. By the way, I'm going to use this and then Tamil to English here. Just press it. Okay. Now we see. How are you now? Okay. How you are doing right now? So I think that's relevant, right? Okay, guys. Actually, comment below. What do you think about this thing? Actually, you can use with shift plan. Okay, I think maybe sometimes other plans also support. uh, so you can go to the plans here, then you can see what are the prices. Okay, you can get the white belt for free, and there are some limitations, but it's enough. Okay, actually those are the enough things. Actually you can use three active workspaces, three collaborators, so good. And you can do collaboration things. Okay, and black belt only $10 per month. So it was about $29 per month. Now it's about $10. And you can generate unlimited contents. Okay, maybe you can write a blog post, you can write anything. Okay, and also there is AI dynamic prompt option, unlimited workspaces, faster response speed, and a lot of things. And here you got $39 per month, everything on black belt. So like this. Okay, and advanced AI alchemy, data GPT and document GPT. So I will definitely uh, make some tutorials about document GPT and data GPT with new features they have released also already, and that will make your data and document analysis part more easier and easier. Guys, let me actually just comment below what do you think about this amazing product. Thank you very much.